Hello, children. So, in the last class, we were discussing about chapter 3, History in Nazism, isn't it? So, in the last class, we had discussed how Germany lost World War One. Yes, and they don't like democracy. They were very angry. They were suffering from many problems like unemployment, starvation, and all, isn't it? Now, for all this, what a government should do? A government को क्या करना चाहिए? Government should take measures to remove these problems, isn't it? But nothing happened like this. In fact, the Weimar Republic, that is the new found democracy in Germany, okay, ये जो वीमर रिपब्लिक थी ये बहुत ही अनस्टेबल थी. प्रोपोर्शनल रिप्रेजेंटेशन के तौर पे चल रहा था, ओके, एंड इतनी कोलिशन गवर्नमेंट बनती थी कि स्टेबिलिटी इज़ वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट. इफ़ इकोनॉमिक क्राइसिस इज़ देयर, द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग दैट नीड इज़ क्विक एंड बेस्ट डिसीजन, इजंट इट? जब भी हम कुछ प्रॉब्लम में आते हैं तो हमको क्या चाहिए कि कोई ऐसा आए जो इतना अच्छा डिसीजन ले कि दैट प्रॉब्लम कैन बी सॉल्व. नाउ इफ द गवर्नमेंट इज बिजी इन सॉल्विंग देयर ओन इंटरनल इश्यूज, then how society issues can be solved, isn't it? And along with that, article 48 of German constitution, with this article what happened, that is the president had lot of powers for emergency, whatever they wanted, okay, or whenever they wanted. Now how is it done? We are talking about democracy. कभी भी इंडिविजुअल के राइट्स को सस्पेंड करोगे? हाँ, विद दिस राइट. सो ओवरऑल टू टॉलरेट इकोनॉमिक क्राइसिस हमको क्या चाहिए था? दैट मच स्ट्रॉन्ग गवर्नमेंट हमको चाहिए, बट दैट मच स्ट्रॉन्ग गवर्नमेंट वॉज नॉट देयर. Okay, like in example we can say that nowadays we are facing corona, isn't it? So we are wearing mask, sanitizers and all everywhere, wherever we has to go हमको मास्क पहनना ही ज़रूरी है, हमको सैनिटाइज़र ज़रूरी है. बट what we want actually, हमको क्या चाहिए अभी कि दैट कि सब कुछ पहले जैसे हो, isn't it? हम कहीं अपने फेवरेट जगह पे जाए, isn't it? फेवरेट आइसक्रीम्स खाए, फेवरेट जगह पे घूमे. ओके, सो नाउ जर्मनी ओनली वांटेड दिस, दैट इज दे वांट एम्प्लॉयमेंट, पॉलिटिकल स्टेबिलिटी, एंड ये सब डिक्टेटरशिप का माहौल बना रहा था. नाउ पीपल डोंट वांट डेमोक्रेसी, दे वांट अ डिक्टेटर who can take quick and best decision for us and remove poverty. And उसी समय कौन आया? हिटलर. Okay, now start the story. Hitler born in Austria 1889, Germany. Okay, so that is born in 1889 Austria, and Germany की बात कर रहे थे. Okay, that is we were talking about Germany and Hitler came from Austria. So here we can say that कि Germany and Austria ये दोनों best friends थे. Okay, so Hitler was from a very poor family. He went to school and he wants to do something to prove himself. Okay, so for that he joined army. Actually admission of Hitler in a German army was a mistake. वो एक बहुत बड़ी गलती थी जर्मनी की. Okay, so ऑस्ट्रिया का था वो और जर्मन आर्मी में आया वो. क्यों? And he admitted as a messenger in the army and earned many medals for bravery, and he became very famous. Now what happened is Hitler was hurt and was sent to the hospital for 2 times. And when he came back, he found that Germany was defeated, which horrified him, as this was his dream and वो टूट चुका था. Now Hitler was in full of anger and he still wants to do something to prove himself. Okay, now Hitler enters into politics. In 1919, he joined German Workers' Party. Okay, and he was so brilliant that he took over the organization and renamed it as National Socialist German Workers' Party. See, कितना चालाक था वो. Okay, and in this same party, that is this same party is going to be recognized as Nazi Party. And Hitler was all about conquering other nations and making Germany a superpower. Now in 1923, Hitler did an encouraging work to control Bavaria, but he failed and was arrested and also released also. अब नॉर्मल पीपल इफ़ यू से ऐसा होता, अगर नॉर्मल पीपल के साथ ऐसा होता तो सब कुछ छोड़ छाड़ के क्या करता? सब कुछ छोड़ देता, क्योंकि उसको दोबारा अरेस्ट होना पड़ा, इज़न्ट इट? जेल में गया. तो हमारे जैसे होते तो व्हाट दे विल डू कि सब कुछ छोड़ के अब चलो हमने सब कुछ छोड़ दिया, अब हम अपना लाइफ ईजिली जिएंगे, इज़न्ट इट? बट हिटलर वॉज नॉट लाइक दैट. ही वॉज अ डेडिकेटेड ह्यूमन बीइंग, राइट? नाउ हिटलर थोड़ा लक्की भी हुआ. He was realized, that is he was released from the jail also. Now Hitler wants popularity, and this happens only when people needs a man like Hitler. Okay, and Germany wants him, so he was lucky. Now Hitler, तो जर्मनी का दुश्मनों से बदला लेना था उसको. Okay, and to his luck, Great Depression fell on Germany. Okay, the same Nazi party which got only 2.6 votes before the Great Depression, that same party लोगों को बेवकूफ़ बनाते बनाते reached to 37% votes and became the largest party. Understood? It becomes the largest party. अब हिटलर बन गया था मसीहा सबका. Masiha means savior who is going to save or solve your problems. Okay, so Hitler has many qualities. He was a powerful speaker, passionate leader, and a very good orator. And now he did many promises. And Germany को बड़े सपने दिखा रहा था. Promises like to build a strong nation, to provide employment, to weed out all foreign influences, etc. Okay, so for this propaganda was there. Now propaganda means what? बहुत बड़ा word है propaganda. Now when you try to convince somebody in believing something, basically it is a big level of manipulation. इसको हम propaganda बोलते हैं. For example, we can say advertisement in TV and all. We are seeing advertisement in TV and all. वो सब क्या है? एक propaganda है. Okay, एक manipulation है. And this Hitler was also doing with the people of Germany. Okay, his saluting mechanism was very very good. He had a different kind of flag, a Nazi flag. He held public meetings, new style of politics, and in this way Hitler बन गया था उनका मसीहा. Understood? So now destruction of democracy. Okay, now Hitler was going to destroy democracy, and one mistake by German president ने एक mistake किया. Okay, that is Hindenburg ने. On 30th January 1933 उसने क्या किया? He gave him the position of chancellorship to Hitler. Chancellorship, अब बोले तो chancellorship का क्या पावर है? हम बोल सकते हैं it is something like a prime minister. बहुत सारे powers हैं उसके पास. Okay, now Hitler set up how to destroy the democratic rule. So German parliament got what happened? That is at once एक बार ऐसा हुआ कि German parliament got a mysterious fire broke, आग लग गई. Okay, एंड हिटलर ने क्या रूमर फैलाया सब जगह कि दैट सम पीपल अटैक जर्मन गवर्नमेंट एंड सिचुएशन लीड्स टू कर्फ्यू एंड एमरजेंसी. Okay, and in that opportunity, but that is by using that opportunity, Hitler decided to do a fire decree, that is on 28th February 1933, and for a while for the citizen of Germany all the rights of individuals were suspended. जितने भी rights थे उसने suspend कर दिया सब इस मौके का फ़ायदा उठाते हुए. Okay, दैट इज़ जो आग लगी थी वो जैसा भी लगा था, पर उसने क्या रूमर फैलाया कि जर्मन गवर्नमेंट पे किसी ने अटैक किया है, तो उसकी वजह से उसने कर्फ्यू लगाया, एमरजेंसी लगवाया, एंड ऑल द राइट्स ऑफ द सिटीजन्स वेर सस्पेंडेड, लाइक फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच गॉन, फ्रीडम ऑफ प्रेस गॉन, फ्रीडम ऑफ असेंबली गॉन. So Hitler played a chalak game in that opportunity and suspended the civil rights of people. Now imagine, Hitler chancellor बन गया, civil right of people suspended, and now Hitler made a list of his enemies. More than 50% of people were not liked by him, and he hated communist people also. Why? Because they talk about equality and Hitler nowhere believed in equality. So Hitler started repression of communist party. Okay, and it was very severe also. Okay, that is Hitler rise to power. Now come सबसे बेकार एक्ट, आज तक की हिस्ट्री में ऐसा एक्ट नहीं था, that is the enabling act. Okay, Hitler said that he is going to end democracy with this act and officially dictatorship लगेगा. Now Hitler was the dictator and all other party except Nazi party were banned. Okay, and everything was going on illegal. So Germany was declared as one party state. वहाँ के जो Jews लोगों को पकड़ पकड़ के मारा जा रहा था. So all of these things were happening which was all wrong. Okay, now for this Hitler के मन में हमेशा डाउट रहता था, तो उसने एक सर्वेलेंस क्रिएट किया. सर्वेलेंस मीन्स उसको सबके ऊपर नज़र रखना था, तो उसने बहुत सारे फोर्स बनाए. फॉर कीपिंग एन आई ऑन एवरी वन ही क्रिएटेड द सिक्योरिटी फोर्सेस लाइक SA स्टॉर्म टॉपर, Gestapo, SS means protection squad, SD security device. Okay, that is उसको सबके ऊपर नज़र रखना था. And he had given extra power to all these forces. ये सारे forces को उसने extra power दे रखा था, मतलब कुछ भी power दे रखा था उसने. ठीक है, not following any legal process. ठीक है, कभी भी किसी को भी arrest कर लेना and all. Okay, So basically, a democratic country completely turned into a dictatorship. Understood? So bacha, this is an interesting story, very interesting story. Okay, so for this session only this much. Go through the parts, that is to go through the this part which I had taken, which I had completed till now. Okay, read the chapters once again, that is read the portion or syllabus till now where I had completed. Thank you so much bachas, God bless you all.